Hello, welcome all of you in this 10th standard lecture of mathematics part 2nd Pythagoras theorem. This is the second chapter of us, and now we see the similarity and right angle triangle. The theorem we stated in here is that when we given one of a right angle triangle and we draw from a vertex of 90 degree altitude on the opposite side hypotenuse, then two triangles are formed. These two triangles are also a right angle triangle. Then the original triangle, right angle triangle, is also similar to the new formed two right angle triangles, and these two triangles are also similar to each other. This is the theorem. So that we first draw the figure and also write the statement of the theorem. Theorem statement, right? In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to original triangle and to each other. So that draw the figure of a right angle triangle. The original triangle, and we draw a altitude from the vertex of 90 degree to the hypotenuse. This is a altitude. This is 90 degree. Give the name of this triangle as A, B, C and D. Now look in here, the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Look here, the triangle is a right angle triangle, and we draw the BD is perpendicular to the segment AC. Now which are the given things? Given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and segment BD perpendicular side AC. This is a given. Now we write the to prove. First, triangle ABC, similar triangle. First of the triangle ADB. Second, triangle ABC, original triangle ABC, similar triangle BDC. And third is that triangle ADB, similar triangle BDC. We have to prove. That means original triangle ABC, and the second one of new triangle is ADB, and the third triangle is BDC. From that these two triangles, we first prove the original triangle is similar to the first triangle ADB. Now the second is that triangle ABC is similar to the triangle BDC, and the third is that neutral triangles ADB is similar to the triangle BDC. So that write the proof. Is that write the proof? Proof is that in triangle ABC and triangle ADB angle, which is the 90-degree angle. Angle ABC is 90-degree angle. ABC is congruent to the angle ADB. 90-degree angle. These two angles are 90-degree angle. Now the next one of the angle of both the triangle is a common angle. Angle BAC is congruent to the angle, which angle? DAB. This is a common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle ADB by the test test of similarity. Test of similarity. This is your first. This is our first statement of these the two triangles are the similar. Now we remove this and write the second statement. We have to find in here. Second part. Look here. Also, in triangle ABC and triangle BDC. What happened here? Same procedure. Angle ABC is congruent to the angle BDC. Angle ABC is congruent angle BDC. 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle. Now the second is that which is the angle is common in both the triangle? Angle C. Look here. Angle ACB is congruent to the angle. ACB is congruent to the angle BCAD. This is common angle. Common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle BDC. Into bracket a test of similarity. Test of similarity. This is your second. From first and second. We conclude that from first and second, we conclude that triangle ABC similar triangle BDA and similar triangle BCD. These three triangles are also similar to each other. That means ABC is similar to BDA and last is BDC. These three triangles are similar to each other and hence the proof. Hence proof. This is the statement and its proof of the similarity of a right angle triangle. Now the next is that theorem of geometric mean. Now the next point is that the theorem of geometric mean. Right, the statement of this theorem is right statement. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean. Is a geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. So that we draw the figure of this right angle triangle. Look here. This is a right angle triangle. Now we draw a perpendicular from the vertex of 90 degree to the hypotenuse. So that this is a perpendicular on the hypotenuse from the vertex of the 90 degree. Give the name of these triangles as P, Q, R, S. Now here the segment QS is perpendicular on the segment PR hypotenuse. Now we see these two triangles are the similar. Triangle PQR is similar to the triangle PSQ and also triangle PQR is similar to the triangle QSR. Previously we see these two triangles are also similar to each other. That means which are the triangles? Triangle PQS is similar to the triangle QRS. And by this the correspondence of this the similar triangle, we write the ratio which are the segments are the proportion. When the segments we write the proportions, then the cross multiplication, then we get as QS square is equal to the product of PS into SR. This is the statement will be proved by this. The QS square is equal to the hypotenuse divided with two segments PS and the segment SR product. So that we write the proof of that here. The given is that given triangle PQR is a right angle triangle and segment QS perpendicular side PR. Then we prove that here. To prove QS square is equal to PS into SR. Then the proof, we write the proof of the proof. In triangle PQR and triangle PQS, triangle QSR, which two triangles are similar? Triangle PQS is similar triangle. PQS is similar to the triangle RQS. Now we write the proportion of the segment is that PQ upon RQ is equal to QS upon RS is equal to third segment PS upon RQ. Now each of these two segments we have taken, then the cross multiplication, then we get as here QS, right? Two segments QS upon PS and QS SR. QS upon PS is equal to SR upon S2. In cross multiplication, we get as QS into S2 is equal to SR into PS. That is we write QS square is equal to PS into SR. This is a geometric means of that. Here these two triangles are similar to each other, and this is hence the proof of that statement. When in a right angle triangle we draw a perpendicular from the vertex of that triangle to the hypotenuse, then these two triangles are formed. These two triangles are similar triangles. When the triangles are similar, then the sides are the proportion. When the sides are the proportion, then we write their segments QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ. Taking cross multiplication, then we get as QS into SQ is equal to SR into PS, and we get as QS square is equal to PS into SR. This is the statement. Now we write the third of that. Next point, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, this statement is that in here, the statement is that in a right angle triangle, the largest side, that is a hypotenuse square is equal to the remaining two sides which are of that two sides of that triangle, the square of that two segments, and the sum we have to take on. Then what happens? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining side. This is the theorem of Pythagoras theorem. We see this theorem in a next our chapter, next of the period, and now up to a mark we study only these two theorems as a geometric mean and the similarity of a right angle triangle. So that this is one of the most important theorem is used in to solve the problems of that basic. So that okay, thank you all of us to join us.